Hello guys, thank you very much for tuning to our channel. This lesson is about English language, a language which is world known, the master of all languages. We try our best to give you beautiful, nice tricks and tips so you can improve your language power with confidence, without hindrance, without any problem, without any confusion. In coming hours, we'll give you lectures and lessons how to learn English without confusion, without complications. Well, viewers, why this channel is different, why this lesson is different, why this video is different? Well, our approach is very simple. It's very easy approach to learn English language. So, without wasting time, without wasting efforts, we just give you a little bit introduction what we are going to teach you, how we are going to teach you, and how it's very simple that after finishing this video you will be very confident and you imagine, yes, this small 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes lecture has actually give you confidence so that you can speak in a very confident way, in a fluent way. So the first lesson will be this sentence. In this lesson, we will try to give you all information, all basic information about this sentence. Second lesson will be the subject and the predicate. So how you have to differentiate what is a subject, what is a predicate. And then third lesson will be the phrase and the clause. Fourth lesson will be parts of speech. So different parts of speech, how you can use them, how you have to understand parts of speech, and what are they, why they are confusing, why they are difficult. So we'll give you very easy trick and tip. Fifth lesson will be the noun. That means kinds of nouns. Sixth lesson will be the noun as gender, masculine and feminine. The noun as a numbers, the noun as a cases. Ninth lesson will be the adjectives, comparisons of adjectives, adjective use as nouns, positions of adjectives, the correct use of some adjectives, articles, personal pronouns, reflexive and emphatic pronouns, demonstrative, indefinite and distributive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, the verb, so you can use as a transitive and intransitive pronoun, verb of incomplete prediction, active and passive voices. And then we have to learn mood, tenses, use of different tenses, use of verb, use of infinitive, participle, gerund, irregular verbs, auxiliaries and modals, conjunctions of the verb love, the adverb, comparison of adverb, formations of adverbs, position of adverb, the preposition. It's a magical, it's a mysterious preposition. One of the very much important lecture in English language classroom is the preposition. And then you have to learn in number 39 lesson words followed by prepositions. the conjunction and the use of conjunctions. Then we have to use interjection, and then different parts of speech in 43rd lesson. The next part, and we'll have to discuss about analysis and transformation and synthesis of sentences. So simple sentence to complex sentence to simple sentence, clauses, phrases, all these studies. So you can make a very complex sentence into a very simple and a very simple sentence to complex sentence. So we'll give you tricks, tips, and ideas how you can write a beautiful, smart sentence, a sentence which impress other people, other listeners or readers. And then we discuss about use of clauses, adjectives, adverbs, and then adverbs of time, place, purpose, cause and reason, condition, result and consequence, adverb clause of comparison, adverb clause of supposition or concession. And then we have to discuss about complex sentences and their analysis. So this all will be our time planning and lesson planning, and we will try to give you beautiful idea how to learn active voices, affirmation, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and assertive sentences. And then we have to use interchange of parts of speech. So how you can learn different parts of speech, you can interchange from each other. Then compound sentence, simple sentence to compound sentence. So you can write a letter, you can write a story, you can write an essay. All these difficulty in writing English. So these classes or these lessons or these informations are actually helping you to get your target to speak, read, write English in a nice manner. And then we study about tenses and direct and indirect speech. And then the third part will be the agreement of verb with the subject. So this is a correct usage. So how you can use or how you can write English language with zero error, accuracy, and in a perfection way. So we will study about idioms, punctuation, spelling rules, the formation of words, figure of speech, then word patterns, question tags or tag questions, answers, the structures about verbs. And then the fourth part will be written composition. That means how to write a paragraph, how to write an essay, story, letter, different formal letter, informal letters, business letters, newspapers, comprehension, and precision writing, accurate writing. So that will be our plan. Precision writing is very much important in a profession, online contents management. And then we have to use different passages, how you can write a good passage. Passage mean a small paragraph, or essay writing a long passage or different paragraphs joins together to become an essay. So you can have really a command to write an essay. Autobiographies is also very much important. So I'll teach you how to write a very smart autobiographies, very clear and comprehensive autobiography. Then we'll discuss about dialogue writing, how you can write a small dialogue. We have to say a short conversation or small talk. Then poetry, paraphrasing, common abbreviation in English language. So This is basically our plan, and plan always come to real when you have a passion, emotion, hard work, then you can achieve your target. So guys, we'll start our lecture about English language grammar, a grammar that you have not learned before. We'll try to teach you a very passionate way, a way that can improve your grammatical skill, and it can enhance your power of communication, and you can speak very confident and very fluent.